Welcome to Lively English. Today, we'll listen and learn some easy words. This story is about Liam's pizza party. Listen carefully to learn about Liam's day.
Hello, I'm Liam. I want to share how I made pizza for the first time. My family loves pizza, so we decided to make it at home. We got flour, tomatoes, cheese, and toppings. First, I made the dough. I mixed flour, water, yeast, and salt. Then, I kneaded it until it was soft. We let it rise for an hour. It was fun to see it get bigger. Next, I spread the dough and added tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings like mushrooms and peppers. We put the pizzas in the oven and waited. The smell was amazing. When the pizzas were ready, we all sat down to eat. The pizza was delicious, and everyone was happy. I felt proud that I could make something so tasty. Now I want to make pizza again and try new toppings. Making pizza is fun and a great way to bring people together.
Now, let's learn some simple words from Liam's story. Dough is a mixture of flour and water that you bake. Toppings are the ingredients you put on pizza. Knead is to press and stretch dough with your hands. Cooking is a skill that can bring joy and creativity to your life. Keep experimenting and enjoying. Join us next time for more delicious stories. Goodbye!